Que la calle bota fuego, fuego, falla, falla, fuego, fuego, falla, falla, fuego, fuego, falla, falla, fuego, fuego. Que la calle bota fuego, fuego, falla.
Alright, so it is now Thursday. It's the next day. After using the hair color removal, most of the color, I think all of the color is gone now. I don't see it anywhere. My hair is just back to the blonde that it was before. I'm gonna be going lighter by myself here at home, all over blonde, everywhere. I'm pretty excited, pretty anxious. I've never just fully bleached majority of my hair before. I was worried about doing it, but since there are so many people who just are afraid to go really lighter on me, I guess I just have to do it myself. You know, I just can't ever seem to get what I ask for or what I want. So I'm gonna try it on myself, you know. So I guess I'm just gonna do it. I'm not a professional. I've researched a lot about this. I've seen other people do it on themselves. So I've been researching and trying to learn everything that I need to know to do this, to make sure I don't completely fuck over my hair. But yeah, I'm excited for this. I've been waiting so long. I've been dying to do this for so long now. So I just want to get straight to it and do it. So let's do it. The coconut oil is just something I just decided to put in my hair before putting the bleach on. I had seen a video of someone else doing it and I heard that it helps a little bit, not a drastic difference, but just a little something. So I just decided to do that. You can do that if you want to, you don't have to. Since there were so many missed parts in my hair and I wanted to be a little bit more lighter than this, I decided to wait one more day and then finally re-bleach. After bleaching the second time and toning, I was finally happy with the results of my hair. I loved how the color came out and it was exactly how light I wanted it to be. And I felt like for someone who has never bleached all of their hair before, I did a pretty good, decent job. And finally, once I put the gray silver hair color in, I was so happy with how my hair came out. It was exactly how I wanted it to be. I had been waiting to have hair this color for a really long time, so I'm really happy that I finally have it.